Turn on the sewing machine. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Set the machine for a straight stitch. Press the Start/Stop button. The machine will start sewing. Press the reverse sewing button. Sew a few reverse stitches. Press the thread trimming button to trim the threads. Set the machine for a zigzag stitch. Attach the overcasting foot. Sew with the fabric edge aligned against the overcasting foot guide. Set the machine for the overcasting stitch. Press the button to edit the memory pattern. Press the automatic thread trimming button. Press Start/Stop button. The machine will sewing the memory pattern. The machine will cut the threads automatically when it was done. Remove the selected combination pattern.